Sorry guys for interruption. Here I have included a note. Here partially unsaturated molecule is given. This is a heterocyclic compound. As you can see here, 1, 2 and 3, 3 carbons are saturated and 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons are unsaturated. So for saturation we use dihydra, trihydra, tetrahydra. Size of rings. If size of ring is 3 membered, 4 membered, 7 membered, 8 membered. For this we use bird root or stem, which we use in nomenclature as a stem, like for 3 membered tri we use tri, and the bird root is er. In nomenclature we use ir as a stem. For tetra 8, for hepta ep, for octa oak, for nona on. These are bird roots or stems. Friends, I have a simple mnemonic to memorize bird or stem to memorize. I assure, guaranteed. I assure you, if you remember this, you will never forget stems for various types of ring. For this, there is a simple mnemonic. Iritol in epoch on eclairs. Iritol in epoch on eclairs. As you can see here, this is a eclairs. Eclairs means layers. Or iritol like a dibba, box, and epoch are a something or some substance. You can memorize this in this way. For 3 membered we use EIR, 4 membered 8, 5 membered all, 6 membered in, 7 membered ep, 8 membered oak, 9 membered on, 10 membered ek, EC. Size of ring. Here 3 membered ring के लिए, for 3 membered ring the stem is ER. If the molecule is saturated we use stem as a eren. For unsaturated compound we use eren. Or if the molecule is saturated with nitrogen atom containing, then we use iridine. 4 membered, for 4 membered we use EAT as a stem. If molecule is saturated we use ethane as a stem, and if molecule is unsaturated we use eta as a stem, and if molecule is saturated with nitrogen containing, then we use etidine. For 5 membered ring we use ol as a stem, and for saturated compound we use olane. If unsaturation present in a molecule, then we use ol as a bird root or suffix saturated with nitrogen containing olidine. For these 3 types of molecule, if nitrogen containing molecule is saturated, then we use idine type of suffix. In a higher membered molecule we do not need to use idine as a suffix. For example, For six-membered cyclic ring, we use ene as a stain. For if molecule is saturated, enane, or otherwise ene. For seven-membered, ep, bud root is ep, and if saturated molecule is saturated, then we name it epane, otherwise epene. For eight-membered ring, oak, ocane, okene. For nine-membered ring, onane, onene. For 10-membered ring, ecane, ecene. Here are some examples which we will discuss. Here, as you can see, oxygen is heteroatom. So we use oxa as a prefix, and this is three-membered saturated cyclic compound. So for this, stem is yrene. The overall name of this compound is oxyrene. Here heteroatom is sulfur, and this is also a three-membered ring. So what will be the name of this particular compound? The name of the this particular compound is thirane. Here A is replaced or omitted. Here nitrogen is a heteroatom, and it is also a three-membered cyclic ring, and it is saturated. So for this we use iridine as a suffix or a stem, as iridine. Here this is a four-membered ring, and oxygen is heteroatom. For oxygen we use oxa as a prefix, and ethane is stem. So what will be the name of this particular compound? The name of this particular compound is oxytane. Guys, here is a rule: if a prefix contains a in last, then a is omitted, and the stem word is used. Here sulfur is heteroatom, and for this we use thia as a prefix, and bud root or stem for this particular compound, four-membered compound, is ethane. Then what will be the name of this particular compound? Thetane. Here nitrogen, and it is also a four-membered ring. So what will be the name of this particular compound? The name of this particular compound is aza plus azatidine. And here oxygen, oxa, and it is five-membered compound, and it is a saturated molecule. So for this we use olane. What will be the name of this particular compound? The name of this particular compound is oxolane. And thia, for this sulfur, and for five-membered ring we use olane. Then the name of this compound is thiolane. It is five-membered nitrogen containing compound. Here nitrogen present, so we use aza as a prefix, and here I have mentioned that five-membered saturated with nitrogen containing compound we use olidine. So what will be the name of this compound? Name of this compound is azolidine, and it is six-membered nitrogen containing compound, aza plus enane, because it is saturated compound. For saturated compound we use enane as a suffix. So agenine is the name of for this compound. Aza plus ene, this is unsaturated compound. For unsaturated compound we use ene, agene. If in a heterocyclic compound branching is present or heterocyclic ring is substituted, then what will be the way of nomenclature of a heterocyclic compound? First of all, we have to check uh, the numbering. The sum of the locands should be minimum. Here, as you know, the